In this video, we showed how to clear the NVRAM and disable the password in a PowerEdge R770. Before working inside your system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. To clear the NVRAM or disable the password, with the system powered down and risers 3, 5, and 4 removed, slide this over and power up the system to clear the NVRAM, and then power it back down, slide it back the other direction. To disable the password, with the system powered off, slide this dip switch over, power it up, and then to re-enable it, slide back over and restart the system. For more information or support about the PowerEdge R770, visit dell.com/support.